Hi, this is Harvey. Harvey's a hedgehog, and Harvey is our shop mascot, and he's also the executive producer of all of our YouTube videos. And Harvey is very dedicated to the YouTube gig, and he takes it very seriously. And every single morning he gets up, he has his croissant, he drinks his cup of coffee out of his rocket donut coffee cup because that's his favorite one, and he says rocket donuts are the best. They're in Bellingham, Washington, by the way, in case you ever go there. Harvey says you should go get a donut. They're really, really good. This morning, something unusual happened, and Harvey got really, really cheesed off. And he started stomping around and being all angry, and we asked him, Harvey, what's wrong? What's happening? And he said, well, every single morning after he has his coffee, he sits down and he checks the YouTube stats to see what's happened overnight. This morning, he said, something seemed wrong. He couldn't put his finger on it at first, and he started checking into it on YouTube, and he said, hey, some of our videos are gone. A lot of our views have gone down, and what's up with that? And he got really cheesed off. He told me, you got to look at this. You got to figure this out because, you know, he's a hedgehog and he has a hard time with the whole mouse thing on the computer. It's kind of hard for him because his arms are kind of short. We did a survey of all of our videos. What we found this morning was that for some reason, within the last few days, or perhaps could possibly even be a week, 4 of our videos disappeared. They were still listed in their playlists, but they all said, this video was deleted by the user. That would be us, or Harvey. And Harvey swears that he didn't delete any videos, and I know I didn't delete any videos, and I know nobody else deleted any videos because that's not what this is all about. So we had a time today, and Harvey sat there and supervised. He drank way, way too much coffee. We have to figure out what videos were missing exactly. And then fortunately, because Harvey's a slave driver, he cracks the whip, we have all our videos on backup, so we're able to find them again. But that's not really the point. The point is that for some unknown reason, our videos, some of them disappeared. When you're a YouTube creator, it's not really about how many views you have and how many subscribers you have, but it actually is. That's a part of it. The videos represent a lot of work on everyone's part around here. Harvey says, especially him, because he works really hard at this. To have them just go away and disappear is really unacceptable. A lot of time was spent today to find the videos that were missing, to find them in the backups, and then re-upload them today so all of our videos would be in their proper playlists. Harvey says that I have to show you about this so you can understand what can happen when you're a YouTube creator. So we're looking at our company YouTube homepage, and we're going to click on the playlists link, and it brings up all of the playlists. And one of the playlists near the top right here is my Rant playlist, and occasionally we have rants, and I suppose this video will probably make it into that also, because Harvey said he has a rant too. He's really, really cheesed off. So if we open up the Rant playlist, we see over here on the right hand side, we have a list of the videos. There's supposed to be 4 videos. It shows 5 because right here, this one right here, where the mouse finger is moving around, it says deleted video. That was number 4. And number 4 was the last one that I published. It was a couple, 2 or 3 weeks ago. And here it is republished. It's don't get fooled just because they say it's refurbished. And it was a rant video that I made about people buying equipment on eBay that the seller says it's refurbished, but it really isn't. And you have to watch the video to find out about this. But here it is. It says deleted video. And actually, if we click on this, it comes up as this video has been removed by the user. No, it hasn't. I didn't remove it. Harvey didn't remove it. Nobody removed it. They just took it off themselves. And there isn't anything you can do about it. You can't contact YouTube. They don't want to hear from you. There isn't anybody to complain to. There isn't any explanation as to why. It's just simply gone. And if we go back to the main page, you'll see that these are the 4 videos that we re-uploaded today. We have one about basic troubleshooting of an IM3303. We have the Rant video about refurbished stuff. We have a video that shows how we can create a transformer appliance. It's just kind of ridiculous. And one of the things that really got me mad was a lot of these videos were videos with lots of view. The troubleshooting video for the IM3303, that's been up since May of 2015, and it had probably, as near as I can remember, it probably had 18 or 20,000 views, and it probably had maybe 80 to 100 comments and things that I responded to and all that kind of stuff. And for whatever reason, it just simply disappeared. And I can tell you for a fact, as a YouTube creator who puts a lot of time and effort under Harvey's direct supervision, nobody deletes their videos by accident. It just doesn't happen. You cherish and you protect your videos because they represent a lot of work, and also we put them up to try to help people. If they just disappear, everyone who's saved a link to it or made a comment on it, it just all disappears and it's all gone. And there isn't any way to do anything about it because, like I said, there isn't any way to get a hold of anybody at YouTube because, come on, people are uploading like, 26 million videos an hour or something worldwide, so they don't obviously have the staff to deal with it. I don't understand why the videos just disappear. Couldn't find anything when I Googled it because everybody's got a similar story, but nobody's got an answer. So today was an unusual day, and Harvey thought we should point out the fact that for those of you who watch our channel all the time or subscribe to our channel, if you see some videos that seem a little different and than the ones we've been doing for the last 6 or 7 months, it's because some of them are from a few years ago, but we didn't want to redo the videos, we just put them back up. So that's Harvey's rant. So Harvey says, if you like our channel, please give it a big thumbs up on YouTube. Thumbs up. Harvey doesn't have any thumbs. He has paws. If you like our channel and you learn things from it, or maybe you find it entertaining when Harvey has a squiz about something that went on YouTube, there'll be a banner right here. It shows you how to subscribe to our channel. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell or on the wheel, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That makes Harvey really happy. If we get a lot of subscribers over the course of a week, he actually will have a donut on Friday morning sometimes because he kind of likes donuts. And his coffee from Rocket Donuts in Bellingham, Washington. He highly recommends it. That's all for today. See you on the next video.